Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Reader. This is Dias Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. If you're a new member, go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, hit the subscribe button to be part of this huge family, and also hit that like button to this particular video if you like such videos, and also share this video with all your friends. And in today's live trade video, starting I will not talk considering the disturbance. I had to mute those audios and I will put a music in the start, but later part of the video I will start talking. So hope you'll enjoy the music also in between and then listen to me what I say. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. If you see, the stock has come up from the level we have taken, and 0.68% movement. So we bought it at 1655.30. We have got 10 rupees plus over here, almost 0.7%. If you see Nifty, from 0.10 again went back to 0.25. That is the support which we got in this particular stock. And we considering the open is equal to low, the stock is bullish, and currently the high is 1668.80. If it can break that, it can go further, because our target is 1671.30 is our target, because if you remember we put 16 rupees, that is 1% target. So let's see if it can give more 5 rupees or by end of the day, or else if we have to book partial uh, profit for this particular stock. Let's see that. And anyways, it's time for me to go to office also, so again recording the video and editing it will not be possible in the same day. So let me see if I have to close this particular trade and try to edit and upload the video for you guys, or else I'll do it tomorrow. So 1699, 0.79%, 0.81%, 0.90. It has to break that 70 and then go up to 71.30, right? Hoping the stock to break. Anyways, let me see the chart. Okay, that was a super trend buy over here from this level for Nifty. That is when the stock went up. Looking at our own graph of ACC, it's sticking on to the Bollinger Band upper line, and it's going up the same 3 minutes from a long time, waiting for a few more moves from this level. That would definitely give our profit for the day. If you just see, the stock crossed just now, the stock had a boom over here, and it gave our profit of 1% of the stock, because our target was 1671.30, right? So the stock just boomed. I tried recording, by then the stock just moved above. See here, it broke that level and went up. So just looking at this, so we bought the stock at 1655.29, right? Let me refresh. So 1655.29, and the stock has been sold at 1671.3. So in bracket order, if you know, it'll sell and buy in partially. So that's the reason you see a lot of one, and the ones which are saying cancelled, and so that was the movement in ACC. If you see, we hit a 1:1 ratio today. I waited for the stock to move up to 1% for the day, and 1% is how much? 20%. So 20% profit for the day, and most of the time the stock will not move so much, so that is when we book partially, and that's why beginners book at 0.3% and escape for the day. So anyways, it's time for me for office. So anyways, I will try to edit the video and upload. So anyways, see you soon in my next video. Hope you liked it. So hit that like and subscribe button to this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.